Evening, welcome to eRepair. So I'm doing a bit of a update on my little Game Boy Pocket that I bought recently. I wanted to make a change to it really because this is fairly marked up and damaged despite having a good clean and a scrub and a sort out. So I have decided to give it a bit of an upgrade, and I got a nice shiny new shell here for it. So this is a nice transparent one, so it should look quite cool as well once it's done. So I'm just going to get around straight into this and get stripping it down. So as before, straight in with the tri-wing screwdriver, and we will get this stripped straight down. This should be a super quick video really. I'm not expecting it to take very long at all to do this. Probably helps if you take the batteries out first though. So the case I bought off of eBay, it was £3.50 or something ridiculous like that. But I wanted to sort of stay with the nice bluey colour because I like that. That's why I bought this one in the first place. I'm quite impressed with it really because it's come with all the screws and everything, so for the money I paid it was very good value. So that's one side. Let's just grab our posi. So crosshead to get these three out. That was not quite big enough. Let's just grab a bigger one. Change the tip on our screwdriver. There we go. Just got 3 screws to undo here. That's that done. So as before, we'll undo our ribbon cable, and that should just pull free like that. And then we will just grab something to lever our screen out with. So just being gentle, and just see if we can get this out. Oh, it sounds pretty horrible when you take this out, but it should come. Just try at the top. There we are. There you are, straight out. Same as last video, no problems at all. Now I'm basically going to discard all of this because I don't need it. So here's my new one. Now I've had all new buttons with this, which is really nice. So let's just get these fitted in here, preferably the right way around. So again, A and B buttons will only go in one way. And I've got my nice new rubbery buttons, rubbery covery things to go over the top here as well. So they'll be all absolutely fresh. Just like that. Like that. And like that. Just make sure this is the right way. Yes, it is. There isn't any other way for it to go. Cool. So that is looking really, really good so far. So let's grab our screen. This should just drop back in again. Like that. It doesn't move a bit unlike the other one, so hopefully that'll solve itself once I start fitting everything back in. Nice new ribbon. Nice new ribbon. Nice existing ribbon. Clip back in. Cool. Speaker in. Now at this point I've got all these screws, so I don't know whether to switch over and use their screws or try and use the ones that I already had. I'm going to go with the ones that were already in there and just see if that fits okay. If they don't, I'll switch back. So what you find is sometimes their screws are a bit too long, or no, it does look okay. Screw number 2. Do the edge one. And screw number 3. Oops. So far so good. Oh, A button's not brilliant. I might just drop the screw out a little bit. There we go, perfect. Yep, happy. Right, so we've got our mid screws back in now. Let's just put this top switch back in, which goes that way round, and then pop the back case back on, just like so. Let's just make sure that everything's lined up in here. It is, so those are all lined up. Actually, we need that off because we've got to put some screws in there. Grab our, well, it's currently a crosshead. Let's just change it over to a tri-wing. Grab our screws. Hopefully these ones fit and I don't need to use the ones that came with it. And just find out. Yep, perfect. Just get these screws back in quickly, which won't take us a second to do. They are quite snug. Let's do that. This one here. Our last two. In our battery compartment. And then our final one. And then we are all reassembled and give everything a quick test. Okay, that's still not quite done up enough. It's better. Right, there we go. So that's everything sealed in. So let's take this plastic off that covers our screen. Just like that. Grab our Game Boy cartridge. Oh, fits in lovely. And then we will just do one final test. Phew! At a moment of, oh, that's not coming on. That is perfect. Just make sure our buttons work. That could not be better. Really pleased with that. Cool, so that is it. And we have done a complete change of chassis. So here's our old one. And we changed over to the new one, which looks really good. So really pleased with that. Everything seems to work. I'll just do the volume, which I didn't do. Turn that all up. Yeah, and that's working perfectly as well. So there you go. So I hope you enjoyed that video. We've done our complete chassis change on our Game Boy Pocket. So that's all good for some retro gaming now. I'm going to go and purchase a few more games and we'll be able to get going. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, please drop us a like, subscribe to the channel, press the little bell icon so you get all our future notifications. We've got loads of extra bits and bobs coming up, some more gaming stuff like this, some bits to do with our Joy-Cons. I'll give away some of what we're doing, and I've got also some PC and laptop stuff coming up as well. But anyway, as I say, drop us a like, drop us a subscribe, and thanks for watching. Cheers.